Today we will be going on the world's most dangerous boat ride. That was dramatic. So far, it's going at impressive speeds for a boat ride. Ignore the guy in the front seat. This sign's making me kinda nervous. Imagine I die, haha. What if I do? Oh shoot, it's the bear from Masha and the Bear. Now we have Mr. Brave here doing some emotes on his seat. Sit down, man. What if you fall off? It would be a soaking situation. Haha. I'm so funny. Looks like he's flying, never mind. The exploiter fell, deserved. Better be staying there till you starve. And he just got trampled by another boat.
Why did he jump?
He deserved it.
Val.
Wait, we're gonna crash.
Kaboom!
Finally, out of that cave. Where are we going? I'm scared. Oh, God. Oh no, help us. Ah. Na ha 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 ha, you yerwanok kicker noi gif sinai where VV bab babu 7 NXRF G8
What's this rope?
We're going oddly fast.
Happy birthday.
happy Death Day to you.
Oof, that hit hard.
Happy birthday to you.
Blow.
Happy birthday to you.
Gah! In blasting off at the speed of light. Gah! Sorry, had an asthma attack there. Wait. We're falling into the void!